Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to box text in Photoshop step by step. Let's begin. I create a new file already. Text, horizontal type tool, select text color, type text, press Ctrl T, hold Shift, click any handle corner, then draw on your mouse. Click the background layer, create a new layer. Right click, use rectangle tool, shape, use fill color or without fill color as you wish. Stroke color, example black. Press enter. Then draw, click anywhere, draw on your mouse. Increase the stroke size and fill color. That's it. Hold Ctrl, align, select the text layer, then hold Ctrl, align middle. Press Ctrl Z. Thanks for watching.